Myself, Sandanveni Rajkumar Yadav. I have completed my PGDHSC in NIFS, and after the completion of my course, I have placed in PR for my NIFS Private Limited as a junior executive safety, and I would be thankful to NIFS for providing me this better platform. Thank you.
Hi, I am P. Ravikiran. I had complete DFS at NIFS in the batch 2019-20. Now I had been placed in Anand Technology as a fire supervisor in Hyderabad through NIFS placements. Thanks a lot to NIFS Institute for providing me placement, so I got a great future. So I always thankful to NIFS. Thank you.